I am cosplaying as a podcaster. So, well, I've got my fancy mic out and my ring light and my backdrop because, well, I was just on a podcast. But since I got it all set up, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to make some sneeze videos. So I'm going to get all my gear together and get my sneezing powder ready so that I can clear out my sinuses before I go on my podcast. I like to make it make sense, you know? Doesn't have to make sense, I know, but I'd like to make it make sense for me. And I do this for me. So, wish me luck. I'm gonna go sneeze and then post it everywhere clips are sold. Thanks for coming.